It is a historical curiosity that when Rolls-Royce first used the Wraith name way back in the late 1930s, the company sold only the running chassis. Independent coach builders supplied the bodies, built to reflect the owner's particular, and sometimes peculiar, taste. These days, the new Wraith's running gear traces its ancestry to corporate overlord BMW. While the body is the portion that defines a modern roller is both distinct and distinctly British. Odd, then, that the Wraith's fastback roofline, the car's defining feature, was cribbed from a couple of Italian cars. You see, Rolls has no precedent for a roofline that looks anything like this, so its designers couldn't play the heritage card. According to design director Giles Taylor, the inspiration comes instead from the Maserati Ghibli, not the recently introduced sedan of the same name. In profile, in person, this car looks spectacular and improbable. It's such a massive and unexpected thing in any setting you can imagine. And it's so gloriously space inefficient, so unchained from the tedious priorities of regular cars. The sharp crease between the roofline and the brutal, brick-like shape of the lower body serves to make the Wraith one of few modern cars that looks totally appropriate in a two-tone paint job. Contrasting paint notwithstanding, the new Wraith has been cast as the performance-minded Rolls-Royce, though the company is eager to add that the Wraith is no sports car. So just in case you thought a 5,500-pound, 17-plus-foot-long vehicle with power-operated doors was a sports car, know that you would be wrong. The Wraith's 624 HP twin-turbocharged V12 is the most powerful engine offered in any of the company's cars, and we expect that it will carry the Wraith to 60 miles per hour from a standstill in 4.3 seconds, and it